Hi, it's Zipeng here with Editor X, the advanced web creation platform for the pros. So in the next few minutes, I want to show you a feature to add some razzle-dazzleness to your project. I've basically created the most epic burger with everything that you can dream of between the two buns. And I don't want it to just be static. I want it to be a juicy delight. So I added some sticky positions with some pause effects. And I want to give every single layer the attention that it deserves. Let's see how it's done. So first, I'm adding this nice blue shade to my side of the color palette and setting it as the background color for this section. I removed the header and footer because I need a wide open space. So now I'll upload these PNG files I prepared earlier. I've got a little system going here because the order of the layer are extremely important. So you'll see what I mean just in a minute. Once they're in my media library, I can edit them and fix them up if I need, then add them to the project. I need to add these layers from the bottom to the top. So I'll grab number 9 first and work backwards. Okay, that's my bottom bun. The direction of the motion we're creating here is up. So I'll release the docking from the bottom and attach it to the top. And I want to be a little bit wider, so let's set it to 40% in aligning to the top and center. So as you can see now, all I have is one single section with an image inside. I need to add all the layers of my burger in their correct order, so the best system is to duplicate and replace. I'll use the regular keyboard copy and paste function, then click here to change the image. This time I need number 8, these onion rings. And I repeat this pattern for all the layers. Okay, here's our spectacular burger deluxe. And now I want to separate the layer and make each one sticky. So all the ingredients stack beneath the top bun to assemble the burger as you scroll. For this, I'll open the layer panel over here. So there are 9 layers in total, and I'll set each of them to 1,000 pixels apart using margins. That should be enough to create the surprise between each layer being revealed. The top bun is the only layer that remains in place during scroll, so I'll leave it with no margins. The bottom bun is the lowest ingredient, so it needs to be the biggest margin of 8,000 pixels. And now, under the scroll effects, I'll make it sticky. Nice. You notice that when I make it sticky, it jumps to the top. So next up, we have the onion layer. I'll reduce the margin by 1,000, aka 7,000 pixels. And then I'll set it also to sticky position. The next one needs to be 6,000 pixels, and so on. I mean, honestly, if you can't do the math here, I can't help you. Okay, let's check this out. Look at that. It works so nice. But I'm not done yet. Let's animate some of these layers to give the whole thing a little bounce. For the top bun, let's try this. Not sure about that. How about this? All right, that looks nice. Now, where's my pizza? This one could expand like that. Okay, cool. Just one more. Let's add some rotation. I want this layer to feel light. There we go. Perfect. Okay. I can't help myself. Let's do just one more, okay? What works here? All right. There it is. Loopy. So let's take a final look. Voila. I definitely motivate myself a lot by food. So hopefully you got inspired and motivated by this as well. So this is just one way to use sticky positions. You can use it to create so many different effects on sites, like this splash page I made, or a folding menu. So go play, be creative, and have fun with it. So if you like this video, you can find more in the thumbnails here.